I'm Kel, the head of marketing at Elevate.io. And today I'm really excited to demo for you our Epidemic sound integration. Elevate.io is a revolutionary new, fully online video editor with seamless collaboration, allowing creators and teams to create videos together without any friction. We have leveraged the Epidemic Sound API to bring Epidemic Sound's entire world-class royalty-free music catalog to Elevate.io users. Our users can now explore, preview, and use Epidemic Sound music right in Elevate.io. So here I am on the Elevate.io homepage, and to get into my online video creation workspace, I just log in by clicking this button right here. Once I'm in, I can see all my recent projects. I can go to the Media tab to access all the files that I've ever uploaded, and I can go to the Admin panel to see all the team members that I have added to my team. Elevate.io being cloud native is one of the reasons why the Epidemic Sound integration I'm about to show you is just so seamless. Now I'm gonna go and enter this video editing project. So we are now in the Elevate.io editor. And despite it being in the browser, you can see that it's frame accurate, it has instant response, and it just feels so buttery smooth to use. It's amazing. This is a really cool little edit of all these really great shots. But there's one glaring omission. We're missing music. And we all know that to make a truly fantastic video, you need to have some truly fantastic music. Here we have our feature tabs. We have our effects, looks, which are built-in LUTs. We have beautiful transitions, generators, and our stock tab. When I click into stock, there are two categories. There's videos, and there is now music. The music tab is where you'll find Epidemic Sound. And we are leveraging the Epidemic Sound API to get this amazing library straight at your fingertips as an Elevate.io editor. You can filter different genres. Let's have a look at hip hop. Filter different moods. Let's go with sentimental. So we have hip hop and we have sentimental, and I can now browse preview tracks and drag them directly onto the timeline. You don't have to leave your creative process. You don't have to interrupt your creative flow. You just stay right here where you're working and you find beautiful tracks.
Yeah.
I actually have a great track in mind. Music search is also API based, so search for track name, mood, genre, or more, just like you do in Epidemic Sound. So what I'm going to do to add it to my project is I'm just going to drag it onto the timeline, just like any other asset in my project. It'll take a few seconds to fetch it from the Epidemic Sound API, and just like that. Now, one of the best things about Epidemic Sound is that creators and businesses can safely monetize their videos or use them commercially. In Elevate.io, you can license individual tracks using our token system. Now, the track we just added hasn't been licensed yet. I'm going to click this Not Licensed button directly on the track. All I gotta do is answer a simple question to make sure that I get the right license for this track. Elevate.io is a business, so it's going to ask me to purchase a commercial license for 500 tokens. Click license, and boom, my license was acquired successfully in an instant. The final step is to safe list my project. Just enter the URL of where I'm going to publish. Epidemic Sound then receives the safe list so that their content ID system knows that the user has a license. Now I can just export this video. I'll pick 4K Ultra HD, and just like that, all Elevate.io users have incredible music at their fingertips with our seamless Epidemic Sound integration via the API.